Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why your Credit Karma score is not updating. This is a very common question, and there are a few straightforward reasons for it. First, Credit Karma updates your credit scores, which are based on data from TransUnion and Equifax, typically once a week. If it has been less than a week since your last check, your score won't show any new changes. You can always check the last updated date on your Credit Karma account. Second, the information that makes up your credit score comes from your lenders and creditors. They don't all report to the credit bureaus at the same time. Lenders typically report to the credit bureaus about once a month, and they might report on different days for each bureau. This means even if you've made a payment, it could take 30 to 45 days for that change to be reflected on your credit report and, in turn, your Credit Karma score. Third, your score may not have changed because there haven't been any significant changes to your credit report. Things like a new payment history, a new account, or a change in your credit utilization are what typically cause a score to go up or down. If your financial behavior has been consistent, your score might not fluctuate. In summary, patience is key. Credit Karma updates weekly, but the underlying data from your lenders is often updated monthly. If you've recently made a positive change, give it some time to be reported and reflected. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.